Are Ethereum gas fees still an issue? That's a question that may or may not be on your mind as of late. Obviously, we've been at a time now where we've had the luxury of low volume, cheap, Ethereum prices. These sorts of things have been contributing to low transaction fees. Right now, if we take a look, you can see 15 GUI, $6 for a Uniswap swap, which is pretty inexpensive, all things considered. But now the question is, once volume starts to ramp up again, once we get into the next market cycle, once adoption takes hold, are we going to see those same $1,000 transaction fees that we saw back in the fall of 2021? This is what I want to talk about. Now, we saw this last week. Binance did a little bit of consolidating of their proof of reserve wallets. They, were moving stuff around, and we actually saw gas fees spike a little bit. We actually saw them run up to 222 GUI, which is about the equivalent of $60 to $80 a transaction. Obviously, not cheap, right? That's a little too expensive for anyone's blood. So the question then lies, did Ethereum fix anything? Have they addressed the issue? The answer so far appears to be no. Now, we know Ethereum did go from, they basically did their merge in September. Okay, they went from proof of work to proof of stake. This was the big thing that everybody was waiting for, and it was a little bit underwhelming. Okay, not a lot of people were very excited with the outcome and how it's played out so far. Now, with this transition, all they did was switch from, again, proof of work to proof of stake and made Ethereum deflationary. Now, that being said, there have been some reports recently that Ethereum actually isn't deflationary under certain metrics, which have played out recently. But that's a whole nother story for a completely different video. Now, Ethereum has addressed this gas fee issue prior to this, and they've talked about trying to fix it with sharding and layer 2 solutions and stuff like this. But the question then lies, when is this rollout going to happen? When are they supposed to fix these issues that still seem to be a major issue? And the answer really is, we don't know. We don't know when these are going to actually be fixed. Now, the question is, if this takes as long as the Ethereum 2.0, the merge rollout was, is Ethereum going to lose some of its market share going into the next market cycle? That's a great question. I think it probably will. We're already starting to see some of this happen. We're starting to see development on tons of other chains outside of Ethereum. We're seeing it on Cosmos. We're seeing it on Cardano. We're seeing it on Solana. All these other chains have big development going on right now because they are a cheaper solution than what Ethereum is currently. Now, it's not to say that Ethereum will completely fall by the wayside or anything like that. Ethereum is a big powerhouse in the space, and it's going to be for the foreseeable future. But there will be stuff that is going to come out that will be a direct competition to Ethereum, and Ethereum may start losing a battle here and there. Now, as always, this is not financial advice or anything like that. We obviously don't know what's going to happen. We don't know what prices are going to do, and we don't know when or if the next bull market cycle is going to start. It's probably going to be a little bit of time from when you guys are watching this video. But at least where we're at right now, Ethereum gas fees are still an issue, and they may be for the foreseeable future here. But that's all I really got for you guys in this video. If you haven't already, again, do show your support for the ClearCryptos channel. Hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell. Again, you can stay updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. Hope you guys have a great day. Really hope to catch you in the next one.